Most homes with a basement will have foundation walls constructed from either concrete blocks or solid poured concrete. When decorative brick veneer walls are installed, they are built alongside the foundation walls. As the brick mason constructs this exterior brick veneer, his gloved hands will need space to lay the bricks on top of each other. This creates a gap or finger space that lies between the foundation wall and the brick veneer. The brick and mortar are not waterproof, and as a result, groundwater will seep through the brick veneer into the finger space and drop down to the footing and run. In an unfinished basement, you will easily see where the water is getting in, and it always happens where the concrete foundation wall ends and the wood-framed wall begins. If your basement is finished, as in this home, we see the interior walls bump out or L-shape. This is the most vulnerable area where the concrete foundation wall transitions to a wood-framed wall. This is where water in the finger space is no longer held in place by the two walls, providing a weak point for the water to flow into the home. Diagnosing finger space leaks can be extremely challenging if you're not an experienced waterproofing professional. And repairing a finger space leak is true craftsmanship and expertise because each situation can be different. Our products and solutions are custom designed for your home. Call the experts at AquaGuard Foundation Solutions.